Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have Cut the Crap Organics. It is their lips and lather subscription box, so let's get into it and check it out. This is the absolute cutest subscription box. We got this once before. They reached out and asked if we'd like to review it again, so I said absolutely because it is so cute. If you're like new to subscriptions and you kind of want to dip your toe in the pool, it's perfect for that. If you're like me and you like all body care and self-care, it's perfect for that. But it's really, for lack of a better word, and I mean this in a good way, it's really simple. Each month for $14 and free shipping, you will get a lip balm and a soap. And they are handmade and they use organic ingredients. Let's see what this month's theme is. Time to glass up. It's Lips and Lather subscription box from Cut the Crap Organics. And if you use Kathrin 10, you'll get 10% off your first box. This seems to be coffee. Oh, the lip balm is hazelnut latte. That sounds amazing. Hazelnut has become one of my favorite flavors in coffee because I do sugar-free, because you guys know, always with the Weight Watchers. And hazelnut is one of the few flavors that you can count on coffee shops having in sugar-free. It says it is organic coffee butter. I didn't even know coffee had butter. I guess you could butter everything. They milk everything. Organic sunflower oil, organic cocoa butter, organic beeswax, lanolin, stevia, and organic flavor oil. Oh my goodness. I was gonna say, oh my gosh, it smells like coffee. But then the hazelnut hit me. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, this is getting used. This is going right to my bedside. I think it'll probably be my early morning lip balm. It's just a lip balm. Oh my gosh, it smells, it's just like you can smell the coffee coming through with just that hit of hazelnut. I'm gonna put it on my hand because lips, and it goes on so smoothly. Oh my gosh, I can smell it now that it's warmed up on my hand. I can smell it even more. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see the shine, but I will do that. It has just a little bit of shine to it. It's one of those soft, comfortable lip balms, not one of the waxy chapstick types. Love that. And again, that is what it looks like. It says hazelnut, and then you can see the little coffee beans on it. So cute. Okay, the soap is gourmet coffee, handmade artisan soap. And look, it looks like a latte. You can see where the coffee is, and then the milky area, and then the whipped cream on top. And if you're lucky enough, those are coffee beans. I was gonna say chocolate chips. Not that my brain is anywhere, but chocolate chips. And this has organic coconut oil, organic olive oil, organic palm oil, sweet almond oil, organic castor oil, mica, orange organic coffee ground, and it is 100% natural fragrance oil. How great would this be in the shower first thing in the morning? Oh, it smells good. Mostly coffee. I get a little bit of the orange. The coffee is much more subtle in this than it was in the balm. This, it's like, wow, coffee. This is more subtle. It's still there though, and it smells good. I guess you wouldn't want your whole body to reek of coffee all day, which is probably why the subtle scent. Ah, I love it. And look, there's little sparklies. Can you guys see the sparklies on top of, I'm thinking those are supposed to be espresso beans if I were guessing. That is what the Lips and Lather subscription is. Each month with their theme, you will get a lip balm and a handmade soap. For $14 with my code Kathrin10, which I will put below with the link, you will get 10% off your first box. This was sent to me for review, and I want to thank them for that because this is fantastic. You guys know, I'm a sucker for handmade soaps. I love handmade soaps. I find them much less harsh on your skin. For some reason, handmade soaps, well, because of all the oils. It's coconut oil and olive oil and palm oil. And it's just, all of the oils are so much better for your skin than the run-of-the-mill grocery store type soaps. It smells so good. Lips and Lather by Cut the Crap Organics. Thank you so much for coming by to check this out. Again, I will link it and put my code below, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out, and take care, guys. Bye.